Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Bhai with my new video. In this video, I will give you formulation of wood glue. Now this is how to make wood glue. First of all, we have to take BPCB and water and soak overnight. When we soak overnight, from this method we can reduce cost of energy. After soaking PVA BPCB, we will increase the temperature 70 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees centigrade, then stir well. After dissolving, we have to add textile printing binder. It is binder of textile pigment printing. Then stir well and raise the temperature between 70 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees centigrade. Stir well in all process. Stir well. Then dissolve all the material. Then we have to add styrene base acrylic binder D18. It is binder which used in water based paint and weather sheet. Styrene base acrylic binder. After adding, stir well and maintain temperature between 70 degrees centigrade to 90 degrees centigrade. Stir well. When mix well, then we will add any other ingredients. Then we will add TEA, triethylamine, for increasing the viscosity of glue. It will more thick after adding TEA. Then we will add methanol T20 for better drying. We will add methanol T20 for better drying. After adding methanol, it become a quick drying product. See, this is very white appearance, very white glue. Then we will add formalin for preserver, for long life, for long shelf life. We will use formalin. Now this is ready. Now you can pack it, you can sell it and earn a lot of profit. It is very thick product. Now we will go on the formulation. Water 20 kg, BPCB 5.5 kg, textile printing binder 6 kg, acrylic binder D18, methanol T20 5 kg, TEA 800 grams, formalin 500 grams. This is 44 kg bag. Its cost according to Pakistani rupees 10,495 rupees, and cost is 238 per kg according to Pakistani currency. If you feel this is very good formulation, then please subscribe my channel and like as well, share as well, and comments as well. We will meet in next video in new article, new topic and new formulation. Goodbye for the next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.